Hi everyone, welcome back to our personal portfolio web application build with Laravel. The starting point of our video is the result of our previous video. If you haven't seen that, I will link that in the description down below. On the end of this video, we'll be able to create a new experience. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is to go on our resources, on views, on admin, on experience folder, create a file called form.blade.php file, and let's go in index.blade.php file, move this experience model to our form.blade.php. All right, and create a file called create.blade.php. Within include admin.experience.form and go back in our index.blade.php file. Over here, add and include admin.experiences.create. Alright, as you can see, it is still working. Now we're going to fill out this form. So we'll go in our form.blade.php file, add on this input a name called company, and over here add a name called period, and then over here add a name called position. All right, now let's go in our create.blade.php file. Over here add a form with method post, action with root, admin.experiences.store, add SSLF token, and add a method post, and then close this form. We haven't created this root, so let's create it by going on roots in a web.php file. Over here, let's duplicate this line. Here it will be post, and the function it will be store, and the name of root will be admin.experiences.store. Alright, we haven't created this store, so let's create it in our experience controller. Over here, create a function called public function store with requests and variable requests. Create a variable experience, which we get a new experience. An experience company. We'll get a request company. An experience period will get request period. An experience position will get a request position, and then save the experience. After that, we are going to be redirected to the root admin.experiences.index. Now let's create a new experience. fill out this form and save it. It will be better if you add a notification. So let's create it by going back on our store function. Over here, return to our index page with flash message. Experience added. And let's go on resources, in experiences, in index.blade.php file. Over here, add a flash message from includes folder. Now when we create a new experience and save it in database, as you can see, it shows also this notification message. Alright, now let's add a validation on these inputs. So we'll go in our experience controller, in our store function, add a request, validate, the company, it will be required, the period, it will be required, and the position, it will be required. Now let's go in our form.blade.php file. Over here, add a variable errors with first company, add a p tag with message, and then add a class called alert. So let's copy this and paste it over here. Instead of company, it will be period, and over here, instead of company, it will be position. Alright, now when we try to create a new experience, we have to fill out this form. As you can see, it's showing me errors, which mean we must fill out all those inputs. Alright, so that is all about to create a new experience. In upcoming video, we are going to see how to edit and delete experience. If you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to motivate me to keep going. Thank you for watching.